Whoa, my God!
The flames roar, brave firefighters ready to face the battle. It's the quiet, noble sacrifice that goes unnoticed. Join us as we pay tribute to the heroes featured in today's video.
Help us pull! Help us pull! Help us! Help us pull! Is everyone out?
July 23rd, 2020, the police responded to a barn fire at the 1500 Hilltown Pike area. The officers discovered a barn on fire with a horse trapped inside. Both officers, along with a farm worker, rescued the horse.
Come on, boy. Come on, out. Give me a rope. Give me a rope.
There should be one hanging right there. Other side, right there. Please get her out.
Come here. Come here. Yeah, watch out, Christian. Pull it, Chris. Pull it, Chris. Come on, horse. Pull it, Chris. Come on, horse. Pull it, Chris. Help us pull. Help us pull. Help us pull. Come on. Come on, Christian. I'm trying. Come on, Christian. Help us pull. Help us. Help us pull. You okay? Holy dude. Holy dude. Good job.
The fire department and EMS arrived, extinguished the fire, and treated 8 people injured, with 4 of them being taken to the hospital.
Whoa, my God!
2 firefighters in Kenner were working to extinguish a fire that had erupted from a vehicle, thinking that the gas tank had exploded earlier, so they decided to approach it more closely.
Whoa, my God!
Suddenly, a loud explosion rang out, causing the flames to spread and engulf both firefighters.
Whoa, my God!
Fortunately, thanks to their protective gear, both managed to escape unharmed. This video will surely make you admire the firefighters. What do you think about their work? Do you believe in real-life heroes? If not, watch this touching moment when these brave heroes saved a man trapped in a burning car. They demonstrated the power of unity, courage, and bravery as they risked their lives to save him before the fire consumed the vehicle. Firefighters' jobs are not easy. Do you believe in that? A worker was saved in the nick of time thanks to the timely intervention of a crane during a large fire when the flames were just minutes away from consuming the entire upper part of the building. Using this method proved to be incredibly effective in this dangerous situation, saving a life at a critical moment. You might think this is just a scene from an action movie, but the reality is very different. A BMW suddenly caught fire violently at the corner of McCulley Street and Kalakaua Avenue. The flames surged intensely, accompanied by loud explosions, causing everyone nearby to stay away. Despite the firefighters' best efforts, the car was almost completely burned out under the scorching sun. On August 2nd, 2023, a major fire broke out at the Petro-Canada gas station on Beaufort, New West, Calgary, Alberta. The police and ambulances responded quickly to the incident. According to video footage, a truck pulling a foam concrete hauler caught fire violently, causing the tires to explode. Currently, there is no official information about the cause of the fire. In a harrowing incident captured on body camera footage, a house in New Jersey suddenly exploded while 6 brave firefighters were battling the blaze. The moment shows the explosion shaking the neighborhood, leaving the community in shock. Around 5 p.m. on June 9, 2018, emergency services responded to a large fire at a car dealership on Osnabrückenstraße at the corner of Mittelstraße. The entire car dealership was destroyed, and loud explosions could be heard, possibly due to tire blowouts. Fortunately, no one was injured. However, due to strong winds, the fire spread to the neighboring houses, causing severe and irreparable damage. 4 people from the nearby repair shop lost their homes, while many cars in the yard and around 10 to 15 vehicles in the dealership's lot were also burned. Thick smoke prompted residents to close their windows and doors, although no serious health risks were reported. Firefighters took 2 hours to fully extinguish the fire. To assist, 85 rescue personnel from Mettingen, Rhein, Hostel and Lengerich were deployed. Have you ever witnessed a fire rescue situation like this? Please share your story or thoughts in the comments below the video. A beachfront house in Hull suddenly erupted in flames. The fire broke out shortly before 6 p.m. on Q Street.
Oh yeah, there goes the floor frame, huh? They got control of the front of the house, and then the middle and the back of the house started gulping up. There it goes.
Dozens of firefighters from 7 towns battled the blaze and strong winds to prevent it from spreading to nearby homes.
How do you know everybody's on?
Wow, we just heard from the neighbors. They were here from the beginning, that's all I know. Oh, that thing's starting to roar right up there.
Fortunately, no one was inside the house when the fire started. However, the house was completely destroyed. On March 27, 2019, firefighters from Hazlet Township, New Jersey, were dispatched to a fire at a construction site on Dundle Place, Hazlet. Initially, there were reports that people were inside the house, but after checking, the firefighters discovered that the house was unoccupied at the time. Firefighting teams from Hazlet, Matawan, Union Beach, Middletown, Keensburg, Keyport, Atlantic Highlands, and several other towns coordinated their efforts to extinguish the flames. On June 6, 2024, Brussels firefighters faced a massive blaze at a metal recycling company on Alla Verte, Brussels. The fire erupted violently among piles of washing machines and boilers, producing towering smoke columns. Firefighters immediately deployed additional firefighting vehicles and water tankers. Police established a security perimeter and restricted vehicle traffic. The fire was contained by 11:30 p.m., but cooling and inspections continued until the following morning. A large fire broke out on the A5 highway between Bruchsal and Karlsruhe when a car transport truck caught fire. The flames reached 15 meters high. Accompanied by explosions and thick smoke, the truck was carrying 7 cars, including 2 electric vehicles, which also caught fire. Extinguishing the fire proved difficult, especially with the electric vehicle batteries, which couldn't be put out. The traffic police also coordinated traffic control, resulting in a 10-kilometer traffic jam. Fortunately, there were no casualties.
Alright, we're here in Wall Township. They got a working car fire here on the Parkway. Mercedes-Benz on fire.
Just before 6 p.m., Monmouth County 911 received a report of a vehicle fire on GSP. The fire raged from the engine compartment.
Everyone's out of the vehicle. 8902 is out with it.
Unit 52278 arrived first and immediately deployed hoses, quickly extinguishing most of the fire. The Los Angeles Fire Department responded to a structure fire at 9100 Omilveni Avenue. Upon arrival, crews found a 2-story house engulfed in flames with thick black smoke. Firefighters quickly launched an aggressive attack to contain the fire. The blaze primarily affected the second floor and spread to the attic. A neighboring house was at risk but was successfully protected. After more than 30 minutes, 38 firefighters extinguished the fire, with 4 individuals treated for smoke inhalation, non-life-threatening. At around 2:30 a.m. on January 10, 2020, Los Angeles Fire Department Task Force 66 was dispatched to a trash fire at the 1900 block of West 71st Street. Task Force 66 served as the primary firefighting unit, extinguishing the blaze in 20 minutes without injuries. The cause of the fire remains unknown. At approximately 11:30 a.m., a car repair shop at 3220 Mount Chunk Road in North Whitehall caught fire. The flames originated inside the building, prompting police and firefighters to respond.
1631's going to be here for 2221's coming in here. 2221, hit this hydrant.
Officials reported that nearly 40 firefighters from 3 local agencies were required to bring the blaze under control. Materials inside the building, including tires, made the fire difficult to extinguish. After nearly 30 minutes of intense effort, the fire was ensured to be fully contained. Within minutes, firefighters established lines and began extinguishing a blaze at what was believed to be an old repair garage. The fire spread unexpectedly, and crews accessed the flames via a vent on the second floor. The detailed firefighting process was captured on camera. After nearly 3 hours of intervention from multiple angles of the building and roof, the fire was fully contained. No injuries were reported. Have you ever dreamed of becoming a real firefighter or had the experience of working as one? What aspects of battling fires have left a lasting impression on you? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to become an important part of our community by subscribing to the channel. Thank you for your support.